How to remove contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the browser. Okay, tap the browser. Here in browser settings and autofill section, you can see here this see contact info. Okay, to remove the contact info on your Facebook, okay, you'll have to do is go to see contact info. And now you can see the information or contact info of your Facebook account. So for my example, I remove this Chad Kabili contact info. So you'll have to do is tap the remove button. But if you want to edit, okay, or change, tap the edit button. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the remove button and the pop-up will show. Okay, remove this information. You have to enter this information manually the next time you want to use it to fill out a form. Okay, you'll have to do to remove this contact info on your Facebook is tap the remove button. And that's it. Okay, information has been removed. And okay guys, we have successfully removed contact info on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, can comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.